everyone, Brandy here. Today I'm going to show you a little creative inspiration that I got last night from my Okanagan Modern Quilt Guild meeting. The president challenged us to do something super fun, and I'm going to ask you today to help me choose a color, and that's going to be my challenge. So what they've decided is that we are going to choose black and white in the kit. We have to use all the fabrics in the kit. So we have black, white, and this crazy vibrant color to use. We have to use all the fabric in the kit except the little scraps, of course. And the challenge is to add one other color. So I want you guys to help me decide what other color can I use. There's some gorgeous colors in here. There's tones of yellow and green, and there's purples, and there's blues. There's everything from oranges to reds. It's just a gorgeous color palette. So I need to choose one more color to go with this. So in the comments below, please put your favorite color that you would love me to try and vote on the colors. Just put a color in the comments, and I'm going to count up all the colors that you guys mention, and I will pick. I'll let you guys know on Facebook what I decide to pick, and then I'll show you the progress of the project. This project is a really fun challenge for the whole guild, and it's due by January, so we have plenty of time. It's like a New Year's challenge, and it's in our Modern Quilt Guild, so it's going to be a modern project, and it can be any size. So if you decide that you want to challenge your guild, it's a really fun thing to do black and white and one other color, but this adds one more step by using a vibrant multicolored print, plus you add your own other color as well. So in the comments below, please let me know what color you think I should use. I'll tally them all up, and then I'll decide, and I'll let you know on Facebook what I'm going to do, and you'll be able to follow along in the project. Bye for now.